Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can blur or pixelate somebody's face on CapCut PC. So just copy and paste your video here and go to effects and go to video effects, go to lens if you want blur, and go to comic and select mosaic. Where is it? If you want pixelate. So I'm just going to show you for this one because I'm already here. It's the same process basically, but just in a different effect. Oops. Select the video and effect, right click, create compound clip. Then go to mask and select circle, and you're just going to mask their face if you don't want to blur like anything else, and feather that out just a little bit. If it moves, you're just going to have to keyframe it. Like here, for instance, right? So here, it's still like on the same spot. I'm just going to add a keyframe here. And then when it moves up, I'm just going to move the mask up and again to the left. Then like here, you can also like resize it a little bit as well. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!